Hello children. Now we are going to take our next lesson of EVS lesson 7 Places of Worship. Check out your book page number 194-195. God loves us all. I saw the river flow by. I saw the rainbow pass by. I heard the birds chirping. I heard the flowers whispering. I heard the children singing, "Come one, come all, for God loves us all." The lesson is based on this, that there is only one God. We called Him with different names. We call God by different names, but He is one and He loves us all. So this is a lesson in which 4 boys are there: Sarah, Murugan, Baljit and Adil. They are all friends. They live in the same neighborhood. They all celebrate all the festivals together. So children, we all are of different religions. हम सब अलग अलग religions को belong करते हैं, पर हम सब सिर्फ एक God को ही हम फॉलो करते हैं और हम उनको अलग अलग नाम से बुलाते हैं. ओके और हमारे बीच में बहुत यूनिटी होना ज़रूरी है. So see, Sarah, some people pray in church, some people pray in mosque, some people pray in Gurudwara, some people pray in temple. Those who pray in church, their holy book is Bible. What's the holy book? Those who pray in church, Bible. Those who pray in mosque, what is the holy book? The holy book is Quran. Those who pray in Gurudwara, their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Those who pray in temple, their holy book is Bhagavad Gita. So this is a lesson. You see that I am reading this lesson. You keep your finger whatever I am reading. Sarah prays in a church. Adil prays in a mosque. Baljit prays in a Gurudwara. Murugan prays in a temple. They go to different places to pray. However, they pray to the same God. ये चारों फ्रेंड्स अलग अलग जाते हैं प्रे करने के लिए, लेकिन ये एक ही गॉड को प्रे करते हैं. सम पीपल प्रे इन चर्च. दे प्रे टू लॉर्ड जीसस क्राइस्ट. जो चर्च जाते हैं वो लॉर्ड जीसस क्राइस्ट को प्रे करते हैं. एंड द होली बुक इज बाइबल. सम प्रे इन मॉस्क. What they do? They offer namaz. They offer their prayers 5 times a day, and the holy book is Quran. Some people, those who pray in the Gurudwara, they pray to their Guru. Their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Clear? Then some pray in temple. It has idols of different gods. They are Hindus and goddesses, and the holy book is Bhagavad Gita. There is only one God. He is called by different names. All of us are children of that one God. We must love one another. So the theme and the motto of this lesson is that we must love one another. There is one God and we call Him by different names. Clear? So children, you all play with your different religious friends, but you love them. You celebrate all the festivals with them. All of us celebrate festivals now, all together. Enjoy all together. Right now? So this is a lesson that tells us that there will be unity. We have to maintain the unity with each other. And we love each other. We love our friends of different religions. This is not the way that we live. We make friends with our only religions. Okay? And respect each other. We all have to respect each other. We all have to love each other. Okay? So now I will give you exercises, answers in PDF file. First you learn the lesson, learn the new words, see read the lesson thoroughly. Okay? And keep on reading, keep on learning, keep on watching videos, and write all the exercise answers in your copy in beautiful handwriting. Have a blessed day.